Hello friends, how are you? And today we are going to discuss about what are pronouns, what are their types and what are their functions. So without wasting a bit of time, let's start. Before talking about its functions, its types, let's discuss about what are pronouns. Okay? So those words which are used in place of noun are called pronoun. In simple words, I can say that noun replacing words are referred to as pronoun. Okay? For example, Ram is working in field. So I can also say that he is working in field. He is working in field. So here I have replaced Ram with he. So he is a pronoun. One more example. Sita is learning her books. So I can also say that you are learning your books to Sita. I am saying to Sita that you are learning your books. So here I have replaced Sita with you. So you is also pronoun. So this is all about pronoun and its concept. Now come to the next point, that how many types of pronoun are there in our English grammar. So generally there are 8 types of pronoun in our English grammar. The first type that we have to discuss is the personal pronoun. What are personal pronoun? When we are using pronoun to refer any person, in this case we will have to use the personal pronoun. Okay? There are only 3 types of person. I will also make a separate video for personal pronoun later. Okay? But still I just want to give you a kind of summary. Okay? So there are 3 types of person that we have to learn. Is the first person, the second person, the third person. The first person is the speaker, like I am the speaker. The second person, the listener. For example, you are the listener. And the third person about whom we are speaking, that is referred to as the third person. So this is all about the first person, second person and the third person. Okay? The first person pronoun are I and we. The second person pronoun are you, and the third person pronoun are referred to as he, she, it, they. Okay? All these are the third person pronoun. This is all about the personal pronoun. For example, I just want to give you a kind of example that you are working in your library. You is the second person pronoun. She is not well. She is not well. So here she is the third person pronoun. This is all about the personal pronoun. Now come to the next pronoun, the next type, that is the interrogative pronoun. All the WH family words are referred to as interrogative pronoun, like what, where, how, when, whenever, whom, why, and so on. For example, why are you crying? So why is interrogative pronoun. One more, how are you? How is also interrogative pronoun. What is your name? What is also an interrogative pronoun. This is all about the interrogative pronoun. Now come to the third type that we have to discuss is the distributive pronoun. Distributive pronoun, those pronouns which show some kind of distribution, is referred to as distributive pronoun, like each, every, other, neither. Okay? Okay? For example, every boy in my class has his own phone. So here I am using every, a kind of distribution. I am showing some kind of distribution. So here it is referred to as distributive pronoun. This is all about the distributive pronoun. Now come to the next point, that what are demonstrative pronoun. Okay? So those pronouns which are used to show some kind of you can say that demonstrate, to show. When you want to show something in front of you, or you want to show something to someone else. Okay, in that case you have to use demonstrative pronoun. These are only categorized in 5 types: these, that, these, those, such. Okay, these, that, these, those, such. These, that, these, those, such. Whenever you have to show something which is near in front of you, which is totally near, so you have to use this. Otherwise, suppose something is far to you, then you have to use that. So in the case of near you have to use this, in the case of far you have to use that. It is only used in the terms of singular. When you have to use the plural, you have to use these and those. Okay, this is all about the demonstrative pronoun. I hope you understand. In the case of singular, you have to use this and that. In the case of plural, you have to use these and those. Okay, this and that singular, these and those plural. Okay, this is all about demonstratives. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, we have completed the 4 types. Now the 5th type I will have to discuss in indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronouns are generally used when something is not definite. When you are not known about the quantity, that how much quantity is existing there. Okay. For example, all the one words, all the body words like someone, no one, everyone. Somebody, nobody, everybody. Anything, something, nothing, thing, one, body. All these particular words are referred to as indefinite pronoun. This is all about the indefinite pronoun. For example, I can also say that suppose that you just have to show your watch before someone else. So here I am using someone else. So in that case you have to use the indefinite pronoun. Okay, like the someone else is indefinite pronoun. All these particular pronouns are generally asked in the form of MCQ that identify the type of pronoun, which type of pronoun is this like this. Okay, so this is about indefinite pronoun. Now the next type that we have to discuss is the relative pronoun. What are relative pronouns? So relative pronouns are generally used to join two or more parts of sentences. They act like conjunction. Conjunctions, the words are nothing. They are such kind of words we generally use to join two or more parts of sentences. And when pronouns are acting as conjunction, it is referred to as this relative pronoun. For example, the lady who is working in that office is my mother. So here, who is joining two parts of sentences? The lady and who is working in my office. Working in that office is my mother. So here there are two types of sentences which are joined by this particular word who. So who is relative pronoun. Now the next type that we have to discuss is the reflexive pronoun. All the self words like myself, ourself, himself, themselves, these all are categorized under the reflexive pronoun. The last type that we have to discuss is the reciprocal pronoun. Each other, one another. Like they are talking to each other. So each other is acting like as reciprocal pronoun. So this is all about the reciprocal pronoun, indefinite, reflexive. We have completed all the types of personal pronoun. Okay. So this is about the pronoun and syntactic functions. I hope you like this video. If yes, so kindly like and share this video and try to comment on the section if you have any kind of doubt. I will surely reply to you. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.